Hello, once again, Mr. Trey with another short video, just showing a little bit of my gun collection, One more to the arsenal is my AR-15. How you love that? It's too big for the screen, gotta bag up. This is a Bushmaster XM15. It's a target rifle with a 20-inch barrel. I added on this right here because it's pretty long. I guess we'll do a safety check. Because my guns are loaded, it's already on safe. So that's fire. Back on safe. Nothing's in the chamber, but we're gonna pull it out anyway. This is a 20 round mag. Check that out. Nothing in the hole. But anyways, this is it. It chambers 5.56 and 223, both calibers. Let me see what it is right here. I think these are 223s. I got some 30 round magazines. There is my magazine. Magazine is deep down in the closet. I can't find it. But anyways, this is my magazine for my AK-47. But they look almost identical. So you can just imagine that going in there. But it's a little bit shorter. And they come out straight instead of this curve on it. But this came with it. I believe this is the kind they used in war, as far as this capacity, 20 rounds. But the difference between the civilian and the kind they use in Vietnam and stuff is the M16, which was fully automatic and semi-automatic. I think it had like a 3-round burst, like a drp, drp. And the civilian is obviously semi-automatic and just shoots one time. Quick as you can squeeze your trigger. And it's the AR-15. This is the AR-15. In war, it's the M16. They look almost identical, except for that one function where it's fully automatic. But I think this rifle right here is for like hunting and hitting things a long distance, because they call this a target rifle. And I haven't shot it. I ain't got nowhere to shoot it. I gotta find somewhere safe where I can shoot this. I ain't got nowhere yet. I got a 100 round drum. 100 rounds. Stick it in like that. And would you look at that? Would you look at that? Now that's ammunition. 100 rounds coming at you. But that's it. Just want to show y'all my AR-15 from Bushmaster 20-inch barrel target rifle.